In this video, we will be looking for an answer to the very concerning question for web developers. Will Squarespace replace web developers? And the simple answer to this question is no. These kind of websites are for those people who can't afford to hire a developer and can afford to make a custom built website which can help them in making the business a brand and an online marketing. So I have a question for you. Would you use a free automated program to run your business if you were serious and committed to grow? Or would you partner with a trained and professional who can work with you and make sure you achieve very specific results and outcomes? It doesn't mean that websites like Squarespace are garbage. People make money from them, but it won't help you in the long term if you are really looking to build a brand and business and presence online. Now let's go to one of the biggest businesses website, apple.com. And when we go to their website, you can see that a website built from Squarespace won't help them in building their brand. You can see it has a very specific theme which is differentiating them from their competitors. And if you are thinking that Squarespace is very cheap and web developers take a high cost, so that's not the case. You can see that Squarespace is starting from $16 per month and it's the most basic one. So it's not cheap as well. Anyways, I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.